Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klaviyo step by step using the easy method. This is a great way to start your marketing journey so you can send beautiful updates straight to your customers' inboxes. Let's get into it. First, link your online shop to the dashboard. The first step is to connect your internet store directly to your new message account so the two systems can share information. You need to link them together before you can build your first update. Open your account home screen, click on the Integrations button on the side menu, and pick your shop platform from the list. Type in your shop's web address, click the big Connect button, and wait for the screen to show a green checkmark. Because your message system needs to know what items you sell and who is buying them. You have to create this bridge so the system can automatically see your products and customer list. Without this step, you would have to type in every single customer's name by hand instead of letting the computer do it for you. Next, add your customer email list. Next, you need to bring your list of shopper emails into the system or set up a simple box on your website where new people can type in their addresses. Click on the Audience tab on your left menu, select Lists and Segments, and click the blue button to create a new list. Upload your saved file of customer names from your computer desktop or choose a pre-made sign-up box to place on your homepage. Because you cannot send out news if you do not have any addresses to send them to. By setting up this list, you gather all your fans into one safe folder. It ensures you are in the right spot so your updates go to the exact people who want to buy from you. Next, pick a design and build your message. Now you need to choose how your email update will look by selecting a pre-made layout template and adding your own words and pictures. Go to the Content menu option, click on Templates, and pick a beautiful ready-made layout that matches your store look. Click on the text boxes to type your greeting, drag your product photos into the empty slots, and type in your special discount details. Because a clean and simple design makes people want to read your news and visit your shop. By customizing your layout, you give your business its own friendly face. It is the key step to getting the right output so your messages look neat and professional on every phone and computer screen. Next, create an automated welcome flow. The final step is to set up a smart trigger that automatically sends your beautiful design to any new person the exact second they sign up. Click on the Flows button on your main sidebar menu, select the option that says Welcome Series, and click Turn On. Check the little timeline map on your screen, make sure your new email template is selected, and change the status switch to Live. Because automation saves you from having to hit the Send button every single time a new person joins your site. Once you flip that live switch, your message system runs entirely by itself in the background while you sleep. Now your setup is completely finished and your shop is ready to grow. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's pretty much it. To use Klaviyo, you must first link your online shop to the dashboard. Then you add your customer email list into the system. Next, you pick a design template and build your message with your text and photos. Finally, you turn on an automated welcome flow to send your emails automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.